Hi, this is Jeanie Shea, your Hoover Realtor, and today I'm talking about 5 different communities, actually my favorite 5 different communities that have primarily main level living. The reason I'm doing this is I always get the question, where do I find main level living? It seems that all my buyers are looking for main level living. And what I'm talking about today is the great community of Willow Lakes. What I love about Willow Lakes is the vast majority of these homes have at least 3 bedrooms on the main level. Some of them have 4 bedrooms. They all have main level garages. And it's just a lovely community. It's pretty contained. It's not very large. The homes are all built on slabs, so you have no basements. But it's such a convenient location. So Willow Lakes is just off of Shades Crest Road. And you may know South Shades Crest Elementary School is right in the neighborhood as well. So if you're looking for main level living, call me today. These homes go very quickly, so it's important that you get in touch with me early so I can be on the lookout for when the next one of these homes hits the market. I'm real easy to reach. Feel free to call me at 205-249-0097.